Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into PiggyVest feature for family and group savings. And here's the breakdown. PiggyVest has features that make savings with other easy and stress-free. So talking about the group savings, formerly known as PiggyVest Save Log for groups. This lets family or friend team up to save towards a shared goal like a vacation, school fee, or a family emergency fund, and everyone contributes on a schedule you agreed on. You can also use the target savings to set individual targets within the group, track your progress together, and watch your fund grow in one place. These tools keep everyone's accountable and make contributions automatic, and even take the guesswork out of the team's savings. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and comment which family goal you would like to start towards this year. And that's it.